So if you have tree sap on your vehicle like that and you want to get rid of it and turn it into something smooth and nice like this one, stay with us and we'll show you how to do it. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to get rid of tree sap. Check out how much we waxed that beamer. It was unbelievable bad, and we will show you, stay with us right here now, how terrible it was. Okay, all that guys, okay, right here, you can see this is tree sap, okay. You can see the little dots, and they don't come off. No matter what you do. You get it wet, you wash it, they don't come off. And you can hear it now. Now listen to this side. It's all gone, nice and smooth. Now listen to this one. So we'll show you guys how to get rid of it now. So we'll be using that kit right here by Mothers. It's California Gold clay bar kit. Comes with 2 clay bars, comes with detailing spray, microfiber towel. In order to get rid of the tree sap guys, you have to clay bar it. That will be one of the easiest ways that we've done so far. After that we have to wax it because it will remove all the wax from the paint. So you just get some of the detailing spray. You need to get it all wet, the area that you're working. We recommend doing only half of a segment. Okay, so you need to go ahead, okay, and start going left and right or up and down. Do not go in a circle because it doesn't work that way. So you can see, okay, in a little bit how dirty the clay bar gets. Okay, let's flip it on the other side now. Let's show the side that it's clean. Okay, clean side. Now, see, all that tree sap will go in the clay bar in just a short period of time. Okay, check it out. All that is stuck to it already. You have to make sure that you don't have anything left. You might need to apply a little bit more spray. Okay, and you see how it turns into like brownish orange thing. That's the tree sap right there. So we're going to fold the clay bar and keep doing that until we're done and we don't have anything left. So check it out. Okay, all that is nasty stuff coming off from the paint, road grime, tree sap, all that stuff. Next we're going to wipe it. Okay, and now we'll wipe it, we'll inspect it for any dots. Okay, and we don't have any. I'm getting the camera as close as I can. Listen now, it's not as rough as it was before. It's super smooth. But we need to buff it because you can see the paint is not too shiny, never been maintained. So we'll be using a rubbing compound, and if you have any little tree sap spots left, this one will even peel it out. Okay, so just a thin amount of rubbing compound by 3M here. We'll have it listed in the description of the video. So we'll go ahead, do a thin layer on the whole segment that we're working now. We'll get the buffer with a rubbing compound pad and we'll start buffing at about 1900 RPMs. Keep moving, do not stay at one spot, not to get it too hot. Okay, so you can see how much better it looks. I'm going to go ahead, apply one more thin coat to the whole area. And that way you can make sure that it will buff all the scratches out of the paint as well if you have any. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and wipe it 1 or maybe 2 steps until we're done, and we'll show you how to protect it from future tree sap. After that we'll be using the 3M cleaner wax. It removes light oxidation and fine scratches as well. This one will make it even shinier. And we have one more step that will, at the end when you apply that material, tree sap will not stick to the paint too much, so it will be really easy to clean. So we go ahead, apply a thin coat. Again, this one is really creamy, so you don't need to put as much as the rubbing compound. And we're going to go ahead and buff it again. We have the polishing pad installed, 1900 RPMs, and let's start on it. Okay, now, if you use Carnauba wax at the end, okay, what it does, it makes the car paint super lubricated, super smooth, and this one will prevent tree sap sticking to the paint. So even if you have some, it will come off super easy, and you don't have to work so hard like we did this time. We're going to clean everything, buff it. Check out how smooth and clean the paint is. It's unbelievable smooth. Real nice feeling. Smooth as glass. And it looks just like the other side now. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video will be helpful and save you a heart attack. See you guys next time.